FYI is back, and I'm your host, Willie Diaz-Spiritu, with my co-host here, Mr. Yul. Good evening once again,
Yes,
partner.
good evening.
And of course, with Mr. Leo, Dr.
Arlie.
Perio,
Yes.
Dr. Austria, Susan, and JJ. Partner,
Yeah, I think we're gonna start with Mr. Leon Katz,
yeah,
and then to the two doctors that we have.
what is Laminite is all about, and how it works?
Laminine is a product that was available in the United States for about 9 months now. And we're bringing it to the Philippines and plan to make it available here. In the USA, and many people call it a miracle in the capsule. So many people have benefited from the product. And some others call it a cellular repair kit because it feeds the stem cells and nourishes the cells back to good general health. So it's an incredible product that we're bringing here.
Yeah, as far as I know, JJ takes this Laminine.
Well, that's exactly what Laminine does because of the ingredients. Laminine is complete with the 22 amino acids, and it has the fibroblast growth factor. The amino acids are the main building proteins and repair ingredients of the body. And because of the fibroblast growth factor, which directs the amino acids to join together to make whatever your body needs, it is capable of repairing whatever part of your body is there that needs to be repaired.
What do you think about what happened to Mr. JJ?
About to be operated. Yeah, for 350,000. Wala akong datong. Pero laminine lang. Ayan lang.
So, the doctor advised you to
To be operated.
Yeah.
Yeah. Costing 350,000. Pero saan ako kuha ng datong? Nasanla ko ng Home for the Golden Gaze. Nasanla ko ng aking mga ari-arian.
Alam mo muna kasi.
So, hindi ka nag-undergo ng...
Ay, hindi. Talagang, actually, I would like to attribute everything to God. And all my prayers, because I believe prayers can move mountains. And tinulutan niya na makatagpo ako ng tamang gamot o tamang food supplement, ang Laminine, para ako mabuhay uli. At nagtaka ako bakit pati ang aking memory, ang aking pagkatao, yung pag-depress ko na I almost killed myself dahil hindi ako makalakad, hindi ako makagalaw, hindi ako makakain. But I kept on praying na, Lord, magpadala ka ng mga angels sa akin na kung sino makapagpagamot sa akin, hindi pa ako gusto maopera dahil I'm already 72 years old. Baka naman ka ako maging gulay na.
Partner,
Yes.
just one point for Dr. Imperio, no? For
JJ.
Little JJ. JJ, I understand, has been using Laminine over the past 6 months.
Yes.
4 months.
4 months.
Now, in that span of 4 months, Doc, he felt something new. He felt energized, rejuvenated, and the improvement counts much. That he wanted to walk, but at least now, before he was completely paralyzed. I think was crippled. Now there's a very problem. By himself, he can a little bit move.
And I can dance the lambada.
We cannot make a claim, or we cannot actually specify the period, but the point is the body is healing itself, and how efficient and effective it would be, it depends upon the body. But the point is, what are you giving to support the body's way in healing itself? And this is where probably the fibroblast growth factor comes in, combined with essential elements like amino acids, complete 22 amino acids, which is the building block of the body. Every part of your body is made of amino acids.
Okay. So, siguro, para maintindihan ng ating mga televiewers, no, Yul, let's ask Madam Susan. Kanina ko pa pinakikinggan, fibroblast growth factor. Paki-explain nga.
First of all,
Madam, tatagalog ka niyan. Kasi puro mga Amerikano dito. Okay.
Salamat po at sa pinaunlakan niyo kami dito. Pero, naku, ako pa ang pinili mo mag-Tagalog.
Okay.
Ano na lang.
Okay.
Anyway, ano ho, let's put it this way. Fibroblast growth factor. I know it works. Ano po, talaga pong, yun po yung parang director. O kaya yun po yung parang kung nasa construction site po kayo, yun po yung foreman. Yun po yung magsasabi na, eto, mayroong mga rebar, no? Ito, ilalagay nyo dito, ihahaplag nyo yan dyan. Tapos, para rin siyang, yung laminine, para siyang yung rebar naman na nag-reinforce ng building. Pagka nagsemento ka at walang bakal, marupok. So, katulad po ng, ano ko doon, pag pinag-combine mo, yung laminine, yung pinaka-young tissue extract na which has 22 amino acid, both essential and non-essential, plus yung fibroblast growth factor po. Remember, new word po yun. Dahil talaga pong pagkat tinext nyo po lahat ng kaibigan nyo, tanungin nyo kung alam nila yung fibroblast growth factor, wala pa pong nakakaalam yan.
So,
Kayo po ang una. So yun po ang key nito. Patented po yan. So ito po ang magsasabi sa construction site kung ano ang gagawin ng mga amino acid.
okay. So, Doktora Austria, masyado kang seryosa dyan. Lalawakan pa natin yung pagre-repair. Ano, para malinaw sa inyo yung kung what is laminate food supplement. At sasagutin po yan ang nandito sa panel sa pagbabalik po ng FYI for your information.